उड़ू ऊंचा।
Let's see if you can hear the sound in these words. Dinner, dinner. Candy, candy. Honey, honey. Monster, monster. Yes, you can hear the sound in the middle of these words. Let's hear the words one more time. Are you ready? Dinner, candy, honey, monster. We know how to say the sound. Now we will learn how to write the letter N. Trace the letter with me. The bird starts from top, goes down, goes up again, and then around the nest. Good job! Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. The bird starts from top, goes down, goes up again, and then around the nest. Now check if you did right. Nice work!
Like, share and subscribe.